Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue kids profile locking automatically. So right now I am inside the kids profile kit 1. So let me go to settings. Select settings icon from top left corner. Then enter the pin because this profile is locked. Then go down and set screen time. Here you can see I have scheduled daily limit and bedtime. That is the reason this kids profile getting locked when this time reach. So we have to disable this. That way we can fix that issue. Let me disable bedtime, then daily limit. Done. So this way we can fix that issue. You can try this. Just disable this daily limit and bedtime. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.